are going to talk about India, India's state and union territories. Okay, so this is the map of India. You can see all the states and the neighboring country. But today we are going to talk only about the states of India and union territories, so not about the neighboring countries. Okay, let's go further. See, these are the 8 union territories. Jammu and Kashmir, till 5th August it was a state, but on 5th August 2019 Article 370 was dissolved by the government, and on 31st October 2019 it was established as new union territory. Same way, and it was bifurcated into two, Jammu and Kashmir itself and Ladakh. Okay, so these are the two union territories. They are founded on 31st October 2019. National Capital Territory of Delhi. So National Capital of Territory is our capital. India's capital is Delhi. Okay, Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Previously it was a one union territory. Daman and Diu were other union territory. But on 26 January 2020, these two are being converted as one union territory, and that is Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu, and their capital is been Daman. Same way, Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and Haryana, and it is also a union territory. Andaman Nicobar, first union territory. Puducherry, capital Pondicherry. Lakshadweep, capital Kamakura. As I told you, on 5th August 2019, the government dissolved Article 370, and Jammu Kashmir was bifurcated into two union territories. They were Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. In Jammu and Kashmir, they have their own legislature, as same as Delhi and Puducherry. But Ladakh is not having their own legislature. Okay, and here Daman and Diu is given. Daman Diu was first established on May 30, 1987. Dadar Nagar Haveli was merged with our country on 11th August 1965. Fine. Now these are the 28 states of India. First, let's talk about Andhra Pradesh. Previously there were 28 states only, but then Andhra Pradesh was bifurcated into two, that is Andhra Pradesh itself and Telangana, and the capital is Hyderabad till 10 years till 2024. Okay, and so there two union territories. So again we are back on 28 states. Okay, these are the capitals. In 28 states, those who are having there are two capitals, Maharashtra and Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is having Dehradun in winter and Gairsan in summer. Fine. Maharashtra is having first capital is Mumbai and second capital is Nagpur. Chandigarh is the capital of both the states, Haryana as well as Punjab. In previous in union territories, and union territories again, union territories and capital and founded on. As I told you, Andaman Nicobar was the first founded union territory, and Port Blair its capital. Chandigarh, the Dadar Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu, its capital is Daman. 26 Jan 2020. Delhi, New Delhi, Lakshadweep, Kavarti, Puducherry, Pondicherry, Ladakh from 31st October 2019. Jammu and Kashmir is again having two capitals, Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter from 31st October 2019. So India have 28 states, 8 union territories, and just see the map. purpose. Previously, this full was marked as Jammu and Kashmir. Now it has been divided. Ladakh, Leh, Jammu and Kashmir, its capital Srinagar and Jammu. Same way, all the capitals and states are named. See here, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman, Diu. Okay, it's been the capital as Daman. Maharashtra, Mumbai. So these are the states of India and Union Territories. I think you understood very well. If you like it, just like it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.